guys. It's a new day. It's raining. Alright guys, so basically we got car inside now. Customer dropped it off. We got Connor inside working on it right now. Brand new CLA 45. Got Connor here. We got the car inside now. So we got people stars.
Casi siempre los ojos tan rojos. Cada vez que prendo me despojo. Tú solo dime a dónde te recojo. Mami, yo que tú escojo. La cartera con la doble C. Que me está vuelta pegado no puede ser. Salgo a tarima hasta se quitan el brasier. Ey, los billetes de 50 y 100 pa' explotarlos con todos los que conmigo estuvieron fiel. Ahora estamos en otro nivel. Tú te quitas tú y yo te lo voy a poner. Ey, par de gente te quieren meter, pero a ti yo te doy 5 estrellas más como un hotel. Sí, subimos de level, sin bregar con nieve. Bichotes legales, imposible que nos lleven. Los culos me llueven, las pongo a tuerquear en el cuarto a los Mayweather. Sigo invicto, visto, con marcas que no has visto. En la cadena tengo la cara de Jesucristo y se oyen gritos. Cuando la baby pega el negrito, tenemos mamando con los flow hasta los...
I can't lie, it's got ambient built in. Connor, the ambient's different on this, bro. Like, it just looks part of it, right?
It's like a whole, like...
Right? Like, how does that work? Basically, guys, we got some pieces of... Bro, guys, this car is completely different. So, like, I don't know how to take off that shit. Bro, YouTube's not even helping because of how new it is. And Benz don't really get starlights. So, guys, so it's been some time after. Haven't been vlogging much. But basically, we got it all done. As you guys know, we did do it in the car. So, it didn't go as bad as I thought, to be honest. It wasn't too bad. But basically, putting it back on now. So, yeah. Overall, just gonna get this going.
Dime pa' que dejarla caer, baby, cuando tú y yo ya estamos subiendo de nivel. Como un cabrón elevador, todas las cortas y todos los carros es por. Las prendas en la tierra, pero brillan como el sol. Y parque el carro en el closet porque parece un mall. Marcas con cojones, grillas que parecen blones. Sin prender el wifi tengo todas las conexiones. Ella es natural, no usa extensiones. Estamos subiendo de niveles como los aviones. Ronca la olla, PR no entrar. Estamos subiendo, cabrón.
Guys, so finished up now. Finished doing all the stars. Finished installing. Got the car outside now. But this is how the car came out, guys. So overall, came out looking really nice. The Benz interior. Guys, look at this interior. Couldn't have came out any nicer.